Abilene. Reliable as the sun. Abilene is your complete boiler room and heating plant company. Excellent service, cutting-edge technology, and a strong work ethic make Abilene the industry leader throughout the metropolitan area. From design and sales to installation and service, our team of professionals does it right the first time, every time. What began in the 1940s as a family business operated around a kitchen table has evolved into the area's most sophisticated and well-respected heating and mechanical contracting firm. Abilene remains family-owned and operated today. The company employs over 100 technicians and staff, including licensed master oil burner installers, electricians, plumbers, and welders who personally perform all the work done on your heating plant. This in-house team of experts ensures that your project gets the attention it needs and deserves, while keeping costs down. From inception of your project through design and construction of a complete boiler room, our specialized professionals will explain, demonstrate, and check to make sure everything is right. Throughout your project, we track and maintain all municipal permits and approvals needed using Abilene's fully automated computer system. Linked directly with the Business Information System of the New York City Department of Buildings, this system is our guarantee that full compliance with all regulatory requirements is met. During the design stage, our expert professionals work with you to evaluate your needs as well as the building structure in order to customize the ideal boiler plant for your building. Once the design is complete, we organize the demolition and removal of your old equipment and prepare the building for your new heating plant. If you've already had your new heating plant designed by a professional engineer, our team of experts can still be of service to you. Abilene has worked with many top engineers to install the most sophisticated and energy-efficient heating plants imaginable at some of the area's most prestigious properties. At Abilene, we recognize the fact that your building needs to stay fully operational during all phases of your boiler project. We have our own fleet of mobile boiler room systems to provide complete heat and hot water services to your building during the installation of your new heating plant. With the availability of these state-of-the-art units, boiler room projects can be undertaken at any time of the year. Prior to deconstruction, Abilene's sister company, Approved Asbestos Abatement, also owned and operated by the Abilene family, provides complete certified turnkey service for safe environmental abatement. Once the old unit has been removed, we prepare your building for the new boiler. Abilene's full-service team does everything from floor to ceiling, including fresh paint, a new base for the boiler, and preparation of the existing pipes. Once the new room is ready, the new boiler is delivered in pieces, designed for easy delivery to your boiler room. Our expert crew will then begin assembling your new boiler. Each piece is carefully placed in position and welded by certified welders. Our plumbing division is supervised by a licensed master plumber and project supervisor, enabling us to provide complete oil and gas service. Abilene also has its own electrical contracting division, led by a New York City licensed master electrician. Abilene Electric handles all your electrical contracting needs during and after the installation of your new equipment. Once everything is in place, our expert technician makes sure the entire system is fully operational. With the efforts of our professional team, this boiler starts right up and is ready to go. The technician makes a couple minor adjustments, and other team members check that all gauges and valves are working properly. At the conclusion of the installation, the mobile unit is removed, and the new boiler takes over the job of heating your building. Our professional insulator then makes sure that no energy is lost by covering each and every pipe with the safest and most effective insulation products. After the boiler project is completed, you have control over your boiler room equipment. Our unique computerized system gives you that control, allowing you to continually monitor your boiler's most critical functions. This system is designed to notify both you and the Abilene Service Department when your boiler needs attention. Whether it's high exhaust stack temperature, low water level, burner flame failure, an excessive smoke condition, or just time to order oil, the Abilene system will dial the telephone and tell you and the Abilene Service Department exactly what is needed. The Abilene Service Department, with its well-deserved reputation for fast and efficient service, is on call 24/7, every day of the year. Abilene service technicians are factory-trained and authorized to provide first-class service. In addition, the technicians provide as much training as necessary to ensure that your building personnel can safely operate the new heating plant. Over the course of 45 days, Abilene took this boiler room from this to this. This beautiful new boiler is environmentally friendly and will help reduce both energy usage and maintenance costs. Abilene offers a unique level of product, service, professionalism, and expertise available nowhere else. Abilene is your total boiler room and heating plant company. Excellent service, cutting-edge technology, and a strong work ethic mean our team of professionals will do it right the first time, every time, for you. Abilene. Reliable as the sun.